Hello, today I'm going to show you how to attach or install an Apple iPhone 15 Pro screen protection or with tempered glass on the screen to protect your phone more and most powerful against scratches and damages. On the market, you can find a lot of screen protection sets. It's the best way to get a set with not only one of the screen protection coating. It's better to get more with tempered glass. In this case, it is a 3-pack, and we can easily perform and install it. We use the alcohol wipes to clean the phone screen ensure without any dust and stains. That's really important. Most of the sets have these wipes included. After this, we use the microfiber cloth to dry the phone screen. It's so important to have a really clean phone before we install the tempered glass on it, because this is the important step on it. We use the dust removal stickers or labels to stick up the dust from the phone screen to ensure that not dust is left on it. Really important step 2. And then everything is ready, we can start. We put on an installation auxiliary frame on it if you have it. If you have not this installation frame, you can make this freehand too. It's possible, of course. Yes, I showed that in other videos, no problem. We carefully peel off the protective film on the surface of the tempered glass and don't touch it after this step. We correctly align the phone top cut out and we place the tempered glass on it. And then we slide our finger on the top of the screen instead of the middle and wait patiently for 15 seconds the auto adhesive installation, or we wipe a little bit with our fingers down and down until it is installed very well without bubbles, as you can see. Maybe if you find a bubble, go with the fingers and push it from the inside out, and then the bubbles will be gone, of course. Then it's an additional thing to protect your iPhone 15 Pro more than only protected with the glass front. You can use the wet wipes to clean the camera lens, ensure without any dust and stains. Of course, it's the same thread like before. We use the microfiber cloth to dry the camera lens too. If you have to do, we can use a dust removal sticker again to remove the dust from the camera lens to ensure that no dust is left. And then it comes. If you have this, attach it. It's really cool. We carefully bend the plastic sheet and remove the camera lens protector. And then we align the directions. As you can see, there are 3 big camera systems, and on the upper right side you see the flash. So get this aligned, and the small black rings is on the upper right. We don't install it upside down, and then we can start with fix a corner with our fingers, and then we align each camera lens and press to install, and we make it sure that it matches the lens card slot. We do not note that the holes position don't install upside down. This is really important. Then job's done. Your phone is protected. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.